Hello and welcome. You have made it to the second round. You are one step closer to your solution. Let's go. These are a few things to remember before you start. Be open and honest. While answering, be as descriptive as you can. Make sure you have gone through the solution catalog carefully. Have a conversation with your HM about working with teacher class. You will be asked to enter your school's address, so keep that handy. You can scroll up and down at any time by using these arrows. This form will take you approximately 15 minutes to complete. All questions are compulsory. Again, we request you to be as honest and descriptive while answering. Now, let's start. First, let's confirm some basic information about you. Please press continue to start. Please ensure you fill in your full name, including both first name and surname. Hit OK to continue. Please enter your own mobile number here as we will call you on it. Make sure to recheck that you have entered the correct 10-digit mobile number. Press OK to enter. Now enter an email address that you use regularly. We will use this to send you an important update. Check if you spelled your email address correctly before moving to the next question. Now, we need you to fill in your school's address. If you qualify, we will courier the solution to your school. Please type the correct address so your package doesn't get lost. Hit continue or press enter. Please type your school's name as it appears in official documents. Do not use short forms. Now type your school's address with the street number and name here. Select the city in which your school is located. If you don't see your city, select Other and enter it. You will be taken to the next question when you select an option. Please type the state in which you are located. Please enter your PIN code. The PIN code is a 6-digit number. In this section, we want to know about your conversation with your HM, principal or school leader about working with teacher class. Hit continue to answer. Have you spoken to your principal about applying for a solution? If you haven't, please speak to them before filling this form. Select yes or no honestly and you will be taken to the next question. Has your principal allowed you to bring the solution in your classroom? I will take you through what these options mean. Option A. Principal has allowed me to bring the solution to my class. This means that your principal has understood the program and has said yes. Option B. Principal wants more information about the solution before allowing me. This means that your HM wants more information about the program before they say yes. And option C. Principal refused to allow me to bring the solution to the classroom. This means that your HM has strictly said no for the program. You will be taken to the next question after you select your answer. We'd like to know you better, so in this part, we will ask you a few questions about yourself. Click continue or hit enter. To start with, select the grade that you teach. If you teach more than one grade, you can select more than one option. Now select the subject that you teach. Again, if you teach more than one subject, you can select multiple options. If you teach subjects other than the ones mentioned here, click on option H, Other. Type in the subject you teach in the blank and click on the tick. Press OK or hit enter. How many students do you have in your classroom? Enter your answer only as a number. If you enter alphabets, your answer will not be accepted. Since how many years have you been a teacher? Enter your answer only as a number. Now, tell us what you use the internet for. You can choose as many options as you like. If there are uses other than the ones mentioned here, click on option F, Other, and type your answer in the blank. In this section, we want to know you better as a teacher. Please answer the questions honestly and give us as many details as possible. Press continue or enter. In the first question, tell us what inspired you to become a teacher. Now tell us, what do you love about teaching? Now we want to know what solution you'd like. Please make sure that you have read the solution catalog carefully. We suggest keeping the solution catalog in front of you while filling this part. You can click here to view it. Press continue or hit enter. If you have understood the uses and requirements for each solution clearly, select yes. If you haven't understood and have questions or doubts, select no. You will be taken to the next question after you select your answer. Now read the list of solutions and select any one. Make sure you select the one that would be most useful to you and is available in your city. Remember, you can apply for Leo and Mike only if you live in Hyderabad, and you can apply for Sundaram E-Class only if you live in Maharashtra. You will be taken to the next question after you select your answer. Now explain to us why this solution would be perfect for you and your classroom. Press OK after you are done answering. Now select all the infrastructure your school already has. It is important for us to know this information because it will help us to offer you the best solution you can use. Select all the things available in your school. We're almost done. Here's one last question. To get a solution, you will need to commit 2 hours per week, share your learnings and photographs. Do you agree? If you agree and understand, select yes, I agree and understand. If you do not, select B, no, I do not agree. Now before hitting submit, why don't you review all your answers one last time? Click the up arrow on the bottom right corner of the screen to scroll up and view all answers. Make changes if necessary. Once done, scroll back down using the down arrow. If you have missed out any question, hit review and you will be taken to the question you missed out. If you are sure about your answers, hit submit.